In this video, let us try to understand the concept of relative velocity. Here there is a boy on the ground and two cars are there, car A and car B. With respect to the boy who is at rest on the ground, car A is moving with a velocity of 35 km per hour. Car B is moving with a velocity of 40 km per hour with respect to the boy. So case 1, both are moving along parallel tracks in the same direction. Both are moving towards east. Then relative velocity of car A with respect to the car B. What's the relative velocity of car A with respect to car B? Both are moving towards the east with respect to the boy. Now let us see the relative velocity of car A with respect to the car B. That is VA vector minus VB vector. Velocity is a vector quantity. Now first let us see this magnitude. VA. So magnitude is 35. It is towards the east, 35. Velocity of the car B, 40 with respect to the boy, so minus 40. 35 minus 40, that is minus 5. Here there is a negative sign that shows velocity of car A with respect to B is towards the west. With respect to the boy, car A is moving towards the east, but with respect to the car B, its relative velocity is towards the west. This negative sign shows it's towards the west. Now, the relative velocity of car B with respect to A, that is VB vector minus VA vector. Velocity is a vector quantity. First, let us deal with the magnitude. VB, that is 40 minus VA, magnitude is 35. Here it is 40 minus 35 is equal to 5. So here there is no negative sign. That means relative velocity of car B with respect to A is towards the east and its magnitude is 5 km per hour. This is the first case when both the cars are moving in the same direction. Now case 2. Cars are moving in the opposite direction. Car A is moving with a velocity of 35 km per hour towards the east with respect to the boy on the ground. Car B is moving towards the west with a velocity of 40 km per hour with respect to the boy. Now, relative velocity of car A with respect to car B is VA vector minus VB vector. Here we have taken negative sign because towards the east is taken as the positive. So towards the west we have to take it negative. So minus into minus plus, so VA vector plus VB vector. Velocity is a vector quantity, so it is towards the east. The velocity of car A is towards the east. So its magnitude is 35. So first you consider its magnitude 35. Its magnitude is 40. 35 plus 40 is 75. Its direction is towards the east. Here you don't see negative sign. So relative velocity of car A with respect to B is towards east and its magnitude is 75 km per hour. Then relative velocity of car B with respect to A. Velocity of car B is minus VB vector minus VA vector. Negative sign can be taken outside, then VA plus VB minus 35 plus 40 minus 75 km per hour. That means car relative velocity of car B with respect to A is towards west. You can see negative sign because car B is moving towards the west. So its relative velocity is towards the west and its magnitude is 75 km per hour.